If you're a bargain hunter, then you need to check this out right now. So let's dive right in. This product is an absolute game changer. First up, let's talk about the design. It's sleek, modern, and just screams quality. Seriously, it looks like it belongs in a high-end showroom. But here's the best part, the price. You'd expect something like this to cost a fortune, right? Well, guess what? It's totally budget-friendly. High quality without breaking the bank? Yes, please. And it's so versatile. Perfect for your workspace, home, or even as a gift. It fits seamlessly wherever you need it. Whether you're setting up a cozy nook or organizing your office, this product's got you covered. Curious? Check the description for all the details. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this one. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss out on more amazing finds. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.